This video is going to show you how to put your timetable into your calendar. So there's my timetable. I'm going into my calendar. I have already started. I've placed my classes in, and I'm going to just use the last class as my example for showing you how I did it. So go back to my timetable. The last one I want to put in is ASSA word processing on Thursday at 3 o'clock. So Thursday, 3 o'clock, click on it. ASSA. So I'm just going to put it in for an hour. Add my Zoom link, because when I share this with my class, it will appear in their calendar with the same details. And I will make it a repeatable event every week until the 2nd of June. Save. I press save now, and that's gone into my calendar. If I was going to share this with ASSA, I would go into edit, this and all following events. And then I would invite them as the group ASSA when that gets set up here, and then send it, and that will be accepted by them on their side. So now I'm just going to click through, and you can see it's in all the way along. Midterm break, I will just delete the ones for the midterm break just by saying delete, and then say just this event, not the whole thing, but just this one. And say delete, and then I can see it's gone in that week, but it's still there in the week before, so I know I did it right. So all my classes are gone for the midterm break, and then we're back again like normal.